Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to make a simple floor plan in AutoCAD. Let's say we are taking a small room of 10 feet by 20 feet, and we are going to design this in AutoCAD, which is going to be a simple thing. Just gonna do this now. We're going to join this. Then for walls, you just have to offset it. Let's say I'm going for 6 inches, which is just normal. After losing, like, we'll have a room here, we have a bed over here. Then let's put the door after 3 feet. Yeah, here comes the door. And for door, I'll go back to my blocks. If you don't have a preset of blocks, then you should always give time and create this nicely arranged blocks that will really help your productivity. So as this goes in, we are going to rotate it, let's say towards the inside. Then we'll mirror it. Am I enter? And yes, we're going to create this as a block. Name it anything, doesn't matter. I'm going to stick it right over here, and from here comes, we can knock off these two lines because it is not needed. As I have told in my earlier videos, that the first will be the threshold line, which will be in elevation, and the second will be the projection line, which will be right over here. It will be a projection line. So okay, I have not specified it for a projection line in the layers. Okay, we'll put that in the projection line weight is okay, and this is going to be iso dash. This is going to be iso dash. Okay, and we'll change the properties so we can see more, you know more lines. Okay, 0.5. Okay, this is enough. This looks good. So here comes the door. Then behind the door, this whole thing, we're going to have it as the wardrobe right over here. Then the bed right over here. And then we'll have a lounger right over here, or TV unit right over here. Okay, so this is going to work out really nice. Let's go for the loungers first. We'll have, this is a good lounger I have in my blocks. We're going to place it right over here. I'm going to rotate it to keep it right over here. They can have a nice coffee kind of thing. Let's see how much space now we have for bed. Now it should be at least 7. 7 is enough. Let's say, can we make it till 8? Or 8 will be too much. I think 7 feet is just enough. And as a king side bed, it is a size of 8. We'll off this line as we have the bed right over here. Now we're going to add the window right over this side of the room, which will look better. So let's say I'm giving about 1 feet from both sides, from inside, like feet from inside, and then over here I'm going to knock off the two lines and rotate it, and I'm gonna place it right over here as in it's 6 inches. We're gonna select this, we're gonna stretch this till, till here, and there it is. The window is right over there, the bed is right over here, the wardrobe will be right over here. So this gives a good space for walk-in, and here we'll have a small TV unit right over here, somewhere like this. Let's say 1 feet is enough, and this will be 6 feet. by 1 feet again. Okay, this works nice. We'll center the TV unit as it will look good. It will look better. So this TV unit has been centered. You can put some nice spots over here. You can have a carpet. You can have a nice larger carpet right outside the bed periphery. Then we shall have a side table. As you know, this is a very rough layout that I am teaching you. It's not like a presentation drawing. Presentation drawing will be in the part 2 of this series. So this is what a very small room is going to be designed like. So that's it for the video, and share it with someone who may need it.